Hi, this is Coach Fred. Behind me is a 2020 Toyota Hilux Conquest. I'm going to show you how to change your cabin filter. Okay, first thing you want to do, you want to open this. Now, you want to take this off by squeezing it and pulling it out. So, just like that. Then I have two tabs right here, one on the right, one on the left. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. Watch this. Then I pull it just a little bit. And in here. And I'll pull it. And I just dismount it. Let me see. Like so. Here, you want to squeeze the tab here. And then you pull it up. Here's your cabin filter. You notice it's pointing up, so when you replace it, you make sure it points up. So since we're already here, let me just show you something. This one is for fresh air. That means it's going to draw air from the outside of the truck. This one means it'll recirculate the air inside the truck. Right now, it's on circulate. And let me show you the flap. Now I'm going to press the button for fresh air. So right there, right now, that's fresh air. And I'm going to circulate. It closes. So when that flap is closed, the air from the cabin is coming from here. See the grill on top? That's the air is gonna suck in from the cabin and then goes to the filter down to the blower right here. That's the blower. So once again, that's in circulate right now. I'm gonna point the camera to the flap and I'm gonna press this, the fresh air. So I'm pressing fresh air. It opens up. Now that ducting is going to be connected to the outside of the truck. Press recirculate. It'll close the flap. And then it'll draw the air from here instead of the outside. Let's put it back together now. Here's the filter for the cabin. Make sure that's pointing up. Then in here, so you notice here it says up. That's up. I'm gonna slide this in right here on this side, on the left side first. Slide it in. Then on this side, you'll see. I'm gonna squeeze a tab. You gotta be gentle with all this plastic. Okay, don't force it. Okay, the next step is to put the glove box. Before I put the glove box together, let me just show you how the tab works. See, that's the tab. When I turn it towards the engine, that's when it locks. See that? I could pull it out. Put it back in here, how it looks like. So it only goes one way. I mean, I can't put it in this way where the tab is bigger, the bigger tab is on top. It won't fit. Well, I mean, it does fit, but it won't turn. It won't turn. So, gotta make sure the bottom part, the bigger tab goes to the bottom. So the bigger tab goes to the bottom. And notice when I turn forward or towards the engine is easy. If you find it where you're turning and it's very difficult, it's because you put this locking mechanism incorrectly. So it's better to bring out this in practice. So bring it in, cycle it. Now you know how it is. And on the other side, it's the same thing. Okay, so let me just review this. When you're locking this in, it's going to be forward towards the engine. This one, turn it towards the engine. Let's put it together. Watch those tabs. Watch. See this tabs right there? And those. You gotta line it up. Okay, now it's freely moving up and down, so that means I did it right. And then here, I'm gonna pull this back a little bit. And then on here, I'm gonna pull back just a little bit. So now I could push it in all the way. So before I do anything else, I'm gonna lock it up. I'm gonna turn it towards the engine. And you hear that snap? So turn towards the engine. Then here, I'm gonna turn this towards the engine. You hear that snap? That means it's locked. There it is. It's locked in. There it goes. It's locked in. And then the last part is this. So I'm going to pull the shock. Here's the shock right here. It was stuck in a while ago in there. I'm going to put it in, line it up, and gently push it in. That's it, folks. That's how you do it. So guys, that was the 2020 Toyota Hilux Conquest cabin air filter. And I also showed you guys the flap. Pull the air from the outside or pull the air from the inside. Anyways guys, if you guys have any comments, drop some comments. Don't forget to press or click the like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.